Cuban doctors have been the heartbeat of Jamaica's health care. This evening, we hear their stories up close on our soil. Ramarda Lines has part 2 of Discharged. The farewell leaves a nation changed.
The University Hospital of the West Indies had 31 Cuban healthcare workers. The St. Joseph's Hospital Eye Care Program, 18. The National Public Health Lab, 7. Bellevue Hospital, 1.
And I hear that they were making quite a positive impact.
That's a Cuban doctor who works in Jamaica. Now, unlike thousands who came through the medical program, he's a Jamaican citizen. I'll call him Dr. 2. He knows that Cuban healthcare professionals have helped to strengthen the local health system. They've served as general practitioners, supported maternal and child health programs, vaccination campaigns, chronic disease management, and health education initiatives.
It's kind of unfortunate that it has come to this, because I have a lot of them who are friends of mine, and they came here with a purpose, wanting to get ahead in life and also to help their family members back in Cuba.
But no more. Are they heartbroken?
Most definitely. Most definitely. And not just here, but anywhere outside of Cuba. Yeah, man, they're definitely heartbroken, because they're doing stuff that they can't do in Cuba.
And so, optimism.
Hopefully, this is just like not a permanent thing, but more like a temporary thing.
Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness had a similar outlook in the House of Representatives on Thursday, March 19, 2026.
We continue to be hopeful that some agreement, arrangement, some changes can be made to the program. We continue to be.
Estimates suggest Cuba has roughly 24,000 health professionals in over 50 countries. As of 2017, more than 1,300 worked in Jamaica alone. From 2006 to 2007, 5 Cuban investigators joined the fight against malaria in Jamaica. 2014, Cubans were active in the fight against Ebola and chikungunya. 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic.
They relieved a lot of pressure in the Kingston area, especially the eye clinic over at St. Joseph's Hospital, which was mostly run by Cuban doctors.
He says there's a reason why so many Cubans go elsewhere.
The possibilities for them to achieve what they have achieved here, very, very slim chance to achieve that opportunity in Cuba. So yeah, man, they're frustrated.
We hear from officials in subsequent parts. Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.